Today we will study for given rotation matrix R belongs to SO3. We can find unit vector omega cap and scalar theta such that e raised to omega cap theta equal to I plus sin theta into omega cap skew symmetric plus 1 minus cos theta omega cap skew symmetric square. Say the equation number 3.51. So if we have rotation matrix, we want to find axis, around which axis and at up to what angle we can rotate for the given required rotation matrix. So R is given, say R11, R12, R13, R21, R22, R23, R31, R32, R33. This one is given. After that, using these quantities, we can find omega cap and theta. So using Rodriguez rotational formula, if we expand this, so many terms are there: cos theta plus omega 1 square into 1 minus cos theta, omega 1 omega 2 into 1 minus cos theta minus omega 3 sin theta, omega 1 omega 3 1 minus cos theta plus omega 2 sin theta. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. This is the matrix, rotation matrix according to Rodriguez rotation formula. Observe this: R32 minus R23, R32, third row this one and second column, minus R23, second row third column. So this minus this minus this term cut out, we have 2 omega 1 sin theta. Similarly, R13 minus R31, observe yourself, we get 2 omega 2 sin theta. R21 minus R12, we get 2 omega 3 sin theta. Subjecting omega 1, we have 1 upon 2 sin theta into R32 minus R23. Omega 2 is 1 upon 2 sin theta into R13 minus R31. And for here, omega 3 is 1 upon 2 sin theta, R21 minus R12. The above equation can also be expressed in skew symmetric matrix form. Omega cap is 0 minus omega 3 omega 2, omega 3 0 minus omega 1 minus omega 2 omega 1 0, which is 1 upon 2 sin theta into R minus R transpose. You can verify yourself. This one is R, rotation matrix. If we convert column to row or row to column, we get transpose of R. So this one, R minus R transpose into 1 upon 2 sin theta. We get this. But we want to find omega cap. For this, theta required to know. This one we can apply. If sin theta not equal to 0, then we can take to the denominator. So we have considered sin theta not equal to 0. Then it is this equation. We have supposed omega cap is omega 1, omega 2, omega 3. Here, as long as sin theta not equal to 0, theta equal to k pi, k belongs to z. We will discuss sin theta not equal to 0, and for sin theta equal to 0, we will discuss later. Now, trace of R. Trace of R is nothing but the sum of diagonals. This and this. It is cos theta plus omega 1 square into 1 minus cos theta. Here cos theta plus omega 2 square into 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta plus omega 3 square into 1 minus cos theta. So trace of R is sum of the entries of the diagonal. R11 plus R22 plus R33. It is 3 cos theta. Cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. 1 minus cos theta common. So omega square plus omega 2 square plus omega 3 square. So 3 cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. But this is unit vector. So this one is 1. So 3 cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta, that is 1 plus 2 cos theta. So these are known parameters and it is 1 plus 2 cos theta. From this we can find theta, and putting this theta here we can find omega cap. Similarly, so from equation 3.54 we can find theta. After finding theta from equation 3.53 we have omega cap and so over a whole vector and theta also. if theta equal to k pi, k belongs to z. Then there are two cases. If k is even, we have r equal to I. Same, no rotation at all because of 360. We get the same orientation. And if k is odd, then r equal to e raised to omega cap pi. That is I plus sin theta term cut out because sin pi is 0. So 1 minus cos theta into omega cap square. Cos theta cos pi is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 omega cap square. This is equation 3.55. So rotation matrix is I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 plus 2 into omega cap square. So we have written further 0 minus omega 3 omega 2 omega 3 0 minus omega 1 minus omega 2 omega 1 0, this one. So 1 0 0 as it is, 2 as it is. If we multiply these two matrices, we have minus omega 3 square plus omega 2 square bracket omega 1 omega 2 omega 1 omega 3 omega 1 omega 2 minus into bracket omega 3 square plus omega 1 square. It is omega 2 omega 3. Here omega 1 omega 3 omega 2 omega 3 minus into bracket omega 2 square plus omega 1 square. You can cross check. Now addition, multiplying 2 and then after addition we have 2 omega 1 square minus 1. This one 2 omega 1 omega 2 2 omega 1 omega 3 2 omega 1 omega 2 2 omega 2 square minus 1 2 omega 2 omega 3 2 omega 1 omega 3 2 omega 2 omega 3 2 omega 3 square minus 1. These two, see here, these are same, these two same, this two same, and the diagonal 1 2 3, this one is this one, this one. So r11 is 2 omega 1 square minus 1. So subjecting omega 1, root of 1 plus r11 by 2, but square root of is possible 2 plus or minus. Similarly r22 is 2 omega 2 square minus 1. So implies omega 2 is plus or minus root of 1 plus r22 by 2. And r33 is 2 omega 3 square minus 1, implies omega 3 is plus or minus root of 1 plus r33 by 2. So combining these three equations like omega I equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus rii upon 2, where I equal to 1 2 3. We have written these three equations in single equation, say 3.56. These entry equal, these equal, this equal. So here r12 equal to r21, r23 equal to r32, and r13 equal to r31. Now the off diagonal terms lead to the following equation. 2 omega 1 omega 2 is r12, 2 omega 2 omega 3 equal to r23, and 2 omega 1 omega 3 equal to r13. Say the equation, set of equation is 3.57. So using this equation 3.56 along with 3.57, we can find omega cap, omega 1 omega 2 omega 3 rotation matrix and angle theta using this. To obtain the solution for omega 1 omega 2 omega 3 require equation 3.56 as well as 3.57, and theta equal to we have taken pi. For any rotation matrix R belongs to SO3, one can find the unit vector omega cap and scalar theta such that R equal to e raised to omega cap theta. We have studied theory. Now we are raising a question. Our question is, for given R, omega cap and theta are unique or not? So the answer is almost unique. For given R, if omega cap theta is a solution, then minus omega cap minus theta also solution. And for theta equal to pi, rotation omega cap theta and rotation minus omega cap theta gives same orientation. And here for theta and for 2k pi plus theta, we get the same orientation. So answer is almost unique. Now r equal to e raised to omega cap theta, taking logarithm both the sides, log r equal to omega cap into theta, skew symmetric. If r equal to e raised to skew symmetric omega cap theta, if we take derivative dr by d theta, it is omega cap into e raised to omega cap theta. So omega cap, and it is nothing but r. So omega cap r, that is omega cap cross r, dr by dt. For 1 radian per second, omega angular velocity omega is theta by t. So theta is omega t, but omega is 1. So 1 into t is t. So t is replaced by theta, theta is replaced by t. So dr by dt is omega cap cross r. Okay.